G'day, my name's Garth from Doug Mal Harcourts. Today I'm going to take you on a tour through number 3 Epping Forest Drive, Eschol Park. This is a family home with all the bells and whistles that you've been looking for. This home features 3 generous, open-plan, sprawling living spaces, creating separation and privacy for the whole family. The kitchen is well positioned and appointed, featuring lots of cupboard space, open plan design with a brilliant breakfast bar for the kids. This home also offers 4 large bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2.5 car garage. Your friends and family will love summer barbecues at your new home. While the kids enjoy swimming in the resort style pool, the adults can kick back on the private entertainment deck and enjoy their wine and barbecue. Eschol Park is conveniently located near to the Eagle Vale Marketplace with Woolworths and many specialty shops. It's also positioned to the nearby suburb of Kearns, which also has its own shopping centre. There are local primary schools and high schools. It's on a bus transport route and also on the gateway of the M7 and M5 motorways. Well, I hope that you've loved this tour, and I'm certainly looking forward to taking your inquiry and showing you through the home at the Open for inspections.